We need your help. We've just met the most loveliest guy and the most loveliest family, and they own an organic farm here in Sri Lanka. You can come here, you can do a cooking class. It's amazing. You learn about everything, it's beautiful, and then you eat it at the end. And we want to get him as many bookings as possible because he's a really, really nice guy. So help us out. If you come to Sri Lanka, book this cooking class. We'll put it underneath. This isn't paid or sponsored or anything. We just really like it here and we love their family and we just want to see them do so well. They work really hard and they really, really deserve it.
Because I know business is very competitive here. Everyone comes to Sigiriya and there are 4 or 5 cooking classes. And obviously some are attached to different resorts, different hotels, and people get paid commission to recommend them to which cooking class. So he has so many bookings because of his reviews are really good and obviously the experience is amazing. But what happens is they get to the hotel and they tell them to cancel and go with another cooking class because they get commission. He had 20 bookings last month and 40 cancelled. So he could potentially have 60 bookings a month. But he's just getting undercut.
Hello, Ayubowan is Ayubowan mean in Sri Lanka like a hello. Ayubowan mean in your live long time. Yes. Thank you for coming. My name is Kumara. I am here do cooking class, but my cooking class big different. That's why we everything doing organic. Organic, my family work, my family, this is my family job, family business. Here living my 2 brothers, 2 sisters, all together, my parents. We all together work. That's why lot of work garden. Garden very difficult way for organic. For the we everything grow ourselves. We make spices, everything ourselves. My tea, oven herbal tea. We not use black tea. You see it everywhere has foods, but not healthy. Many people artificial, lot of chemical add for cooking, but we are never used like that. That's why very bad for body. We like to help healthily like for others. I like help others.
And how long have you been here?
I am lifetime my family.
Lifetime?
Yes, all the life my family.
So your father?
Yes, like
that
for the everyone.
Amazing.
You see it, how do we make it?
Yeah.
Like that, always we make.
Amazing.
Family.
Thank you, brother. Thank you so much for the experience.
Thank you very much. That's a big help you are coming. Thank you very, very much. I am glad you are coming.